Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Voyage nail polish, Siwa, and Marianne Nails XXL3. I'll start it off with Low and Away as well as Nailtiques as my base coats. And you can see the duochrome, multi-chromeness towards the bottom of that bottle in that last shot. It does flash like that green, kind of gold green. But mostly you're going to see the purple, pinky, bluey color today. Now, this is a textured polish, and I'm just going to be straight up honest. I did not really dig this textured polish. To me, it just felt like a polish that didn't get mixed well, like chunks of pigment floating around in it. That's just my opinion. Now, I end up, handling this one well because I'm going to do a couple of coats. Oh, hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to do a couple of coats of the polish. I'm going to take a picture of it in its mattified, just dry form, where it's all bumpy looking. And then I'm going to put some out the door on it. And that's going to help smooth it out a little bit. And I'll show you a picture of that. And then I'm going to do some nail art. And so another thick top coat's going to go on it. Ooh, got to get the cleanup brush out. But this is, other than me not liking the textured aspect of it, it's stunning. The flashes of color and everything. Great, juicy loveliness. But, we're not all the same. You might like a textured polish like that. Like, this is not even as textured as a pixie dust from Zoya. So, ooh, look at that. There you go. Kind of maroony, pinky, purpley blue. Oh, see, that stuff just catches my eye. I get in so much trouble when I wear these polishes because I just can't stop looking at my nails and turning my hand in all the different lights. So there we go with some of the I&M's out the door top coat. And here is another swatch photo. Looking smoother. I'll be using Marianne Nails XXL3 today. And Maniology. This one is So Metal. Beautiful silver stamping polish. One of my favorites. I've got my new cube stamper from Maniology and my Eshlacosadora scraping card out today. Now this image is going on my thumb and my ring fingernail as my accent stamping. You can see I've already done my thumb. It's super short, y'all. I broke it making the bed. I have to wear gloves to make the bed, I guess. I'm cleaning the stamper off over on a lint roller. And I'm going to use the image right above it so I didn't have to clean the plate immediately. I'm going to use that image for all the other nails. And I'm going to just tell y'all, that ring fingernail, when you see the swatch photo or if my hand sits still long enough for you to see it, I did pretty good lining it up. I was really surprised. I'm normally off to the left or the right. I don't hardly ever get this close to nailing an image like that. I really love this plate. This is one of those humongous plates that takes up like most of my desk. There I go, out of frame again. There's going to be quite a bit of that on this video. I'm going to just apologize right now for it. I dial in and then I get distracted and don't pay attention. But I want y'all to be able to see, the stamping plate and the image and all that good stuff. Here we go with the last one. Oh, there we go. I am going to clean this plate off with pure acetone and wipe it with a paper towel before I put it away. And now I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get the excess up off of the skin around my fingernail. And, make it easy peasy clean up. I almost really don't need to break out the brush, but you guys that have been around for a minute know I'm going to break out the cleanup brush. I'm going to go over it even if I can't even see anything. It's just a habit. I think it's a good habit. So there we go. I'm going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Look how good I did on that. It's not dead on perfect, but it's pretty close. I'm really excited about it. And once that is dry, I'm going to top it with Poshe top coat. I'm going to seal this one in and wrap this one up. I love this. Look at the purple and the pink and the blue. And just love it. I love the shade. So that is my manicure for the day. Cap my fridge here. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I've got a swatch photo coming up here very soon, like right now. And I just want to thank you all for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.